Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace armrest lid on Mazda CX-7. Stay with us, guys. We're going to show you how to do that now. Not very complicated procedure at all. If yours is broken or if it doesn't lock, it's easy to replace. As long as you find one on eBay, parts car or something like that. Stay with us, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together and let's start on it now. Okay guys, that's the one we're talking about right here now. So we're just going to go ahead, open it. Okay, you need to remove the tray for the change here. And next, that lid right here, you grab it from the bottom. Okay, right here on the bottom. And you pull it out. Okay, that lid is to cover the screws. Now with a Phillips screwdriver you will need to remove 2 screws. So that's pretty simple. Okay, you need to take them all the way out. Okay, one right there. Okay guys, and now there is 3 hidden screws that you need to get to, and you need to remove that plastic trim on the back. There is 5 clips. Okay, you can see we got those out, and now if you go underneath, okay, that's where the clips are, the screws are, right there with a Phillips screwdriver. A little bit hard to get to because you have to be on your head pretty much. Okay, let me show you what it looks like there. Okay, like that. And you need to remove them with a Phillips screwdriver now. Okay, one is out already. 2 more to go. Okay, that's the second one coming out. And we have one more in the corner. It's a little bit tricky. And screwdrivers flying everywhere. Okay, out, and just one more to go in this corner right here. Okay, and let's see if there is anything else holding that armrest, or we'll be able to remove it now. That's the last one there. Okay, and now you can just go ahead and pull the armrest lid out of there, guys, as you can see. So that was the only thing holding it, 5 screws all together. Okay guys, so we're going to get our replacement now, and we'll go ahead install it. So we need to make sure, okay, let me turn light on because it's super dark inside. Need to make sure that you get it on top right. Everything's lining up really good. And then you can go ahead and install the 2 on the front now. That way it will be holding it, and the bottom screws will be really easy to install. Okay, you can see, you can go ahead and install those now. So it will be fixed in place. That way when you're upside down you'll be able to get to the other screws and see what's going on there. Okay, right there. And now we close it. We're going to go ahead, install the 3 screws on the bottom, push the plastic trim in, and that will be, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a like. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.